Hey, this will be a video chart on TIVU. Did this one a couple days ago, I believe, when the chart looked like that. These lines you see were from the last time I did the video, so this will just be a quick update chart. Won't be too long or anything, but the chart definitely needs updated after today's very nice day. So let's dig in. The first thing that's kind of borderline, but had the chart just opened up a little bit lower down here, we would have had a bullish engulfing candle, meaning the open and then close of this candle engulfs both the high and lows of the previous day's candle. You can see definitely engulfs the upper, the high and close, or open, I should say, but didn't quite open up low enough here. But at the end of the day, I'm going to call this a bullish engulfing candle. Sure, maybe not technically it's one, but close enough for me. Like I said, if it had opened up just a little bit, it would have engulfed this lower wick down here, and then we would have been good to go. So that was the first good thing. A very nice bullish candle was formed today, and then with the nice candle, we also had increasing volume. Now, sure, it wasn't much more than yesterday, but at the end of the day, volume not only stayed strong, it actually creeped a little bit higher. So the argument of, well, it looks like it's losing interest because volume's going down, that you can't really make that because volume not only stayed the same, but did actually increase a little bit. But the key thing besides the candle and the volume is not only did a higher high get put in, but we closed above our key resistance level, which was right here at 0.11, which I had marked the last time I did it. So the first update that needs to be made is we simply need to change this resistance to a support. That's technical analysis 101. When resistances are broken and closed above, they become supports. The next thing I'm going to do is actually update another new area of support that was put in today, which is right here at 14 cents, the previous high from Friday. So this is now an area of support. I'm going to leave that line skinnier because yes, it's a support, but I wouldn't consider it a must hold. If the price were to drop below that, we still obviously have these other supports below us. The next thing I'm going to do is just get rid of this support. Nobody wants to see the price drop down that low. And then I'm going to change this support level now to a thicker line to represent this being the must hold level down here at 8 cents. What I mean by must hold is if the price were to drop down here, there should be no excuses on why this level can't hold. If this is a genuinely strong move, then there should be all sorts of people wanting to get in down here at 8 if the price were to drop down there. So if it does drop and this can't hold, then that's a red flag. So that's why I consider this the must hold level. This is kind of a secondary ideal level, and then this would be kind of best case level right here. In terms of resistances, let's see. We have where the profit taker stepped in, but I believe I mentioned this the last time I did it. Essentially, you get above this, and it's a blue sky breakout up until this moving average up here, which is a 200-day valued at 22.5 cents. So technically, there is a resistance here at 2 cents, or excuse me, 20 cents, since that's where the profit takers currently decided to step in. But I'm just going to leave that line skinny because with any sort of nice push with increasing volume again, I don't think 20 cents will put up much of a fight. But we then do have this 22.5 cent level as the next resistance. So that's where the chart currently stands. Congratulations everybody that held through this pullback. The nice thing about this pullback was, the volume was much less than the breakout day. Had this been a huge volume day with this red candle, that would have been pretty shaky. But that wasn't the case. It was red, yes, but volume dropped off quite a bit, so it wasn't like it was dumping or anything like that. And then today's action was very bullish. So overall, chart's hanging in there, and as long as these support levels continue to hold, then things will remain fine. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get charts set up to trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to pennies. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some nice money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and give it a try. One more time, this was TIVU. Thanks for listening.